So after Jennifer's presentation, we all went and made our BioGraffs, and to my great joy and possible surprise, everyone participated and made really interesting graphs. Then after everyone had made their graphs, and that took about 20 minutes, we started to talk about them, going from person to person to person, and just each person telling their story for their graph, and the people listening and reacting created so much fabulous conversation. And at the end of that took I thought it was going to take an hour. It took us about 2.5 hours because there was so much great conversation. At the end of that, it was kind of like, well, we've just had the meeting. You know, we've had the 2 days of meeting that we had planned. We just did it all. Everyone got to say what they thought. There was conversation. It was clear that there were certain themes and priorities coming to the front. And really, the remaining day and a half of conversation was parsing all of the data kind of that had come out of the BioGraffs and turning that into something that was sort of next steps. But really looking back at that conversation and saying, okay, that was an important theme. What are we going to do about that important theme? So, yeah, it was great. It was amazing. You know, it just really helps to have the object in front of you when someone is explaining a long and complex idea. Having the graphs makes it so clear. There's something to reference. You can see it. I mean, you know, see it. I keep saying see it, but that's really what it is. I mean, you can see it. It's right there. Everyone got to say their vision, and everyone listened to everyone else's vision. We heard from people who might not otherwise be as vocal. Afterwards, everyone was, I think, amazed at how this had turned out. I don't think no one had any idea how it would turn out, but absolutely everyone said that was a great activity and really thought it was useful and informative. A great part of our retreat. And so there was universal accolades.